Today I'm making a quick chicken and rice meal. You will need olive oil, Creole seasoning, pepper, all-purpose seasoning, Old Bay, paprika, and some salt. I will start by putting on my jasmine rice, cutting up some onions and peppers. Now it's time to season the chicken. You want to add all of the seasonings. I do not measure my seasonings. I typically just eyeball it, so you can just put as much as you want. Add some oil into the pan and add in your peppers and onions. And we're going to add the chicken to the pan. I let mine cook halfway through and then I flip it. That way it doesn't get overcooked and it'll still be juicy when it's done. I wanted to add my fajitas first and then the chicken, but I did it the other way around and I was not about to do it over. And now for the finishing touches, I'm adding a chipotle mayo sauce that I made.